A poetic speech of teenage pregnancy. Today, I stand before you, not just a voice, but a story, a testament to struggles of young women lost in the glory. At just 19, I find my way on the path I never chose, a journey of unexpected turns where innocence fades and uncertainty grows. I am a victim of teen pregnancy, a heavy burden I bear, hiding my growing belly in a world that seems unaware. In spaces where I should feel safe, I often feel unwelcome, alone. Judgment lingers in the air, a harsher reminder of the unknown. My child, a blessing, yet seems as a weight, a stigma that clings, a shadow of fate. My family, too, feels strained, hesitant to gather, fearing the disdain. Oversized shirt, jacket pulled tight, I shield myself from the world's harsh light, exhausted from whispers. That sideway glance, tired of hiding of Mrs. Chance. Sleepless night, a familiar refrain. Postpartum anxiety, a lingering pain. I'm aware of shame, of judgmental hands, of feeling I must apologize for where I stand. But let me be clear, let the truth ring. No one is perfect, no one's a king. We have our own battles, our own story to tell. No one deserves to cross into hell. So let's change the narrative, let's rewrite the tale. Normalize support, let's compassion prevail. For every young mother, let's build a new space where love and acceptance can take the road. Right.